Good day to everyone. Next type of test case design technique is decision table. It is also called as cause effect table. In this type, we will be giving different input combination to the application and the corresponding system behavior it will be captured in the tabular form. That is why it is called as cause effect table. Now let us understand the decision table through an example. Now let us assume that we are building an application for COVID-19 vaccination. First time when the vaccination it was released only for senior citizen. That is the persons whose age is 60 plus and with the normal condition. That is they should not be having high BP or high sugar. For them it was released. Later it was released for the age criteria above 45 with the same condition, that is they should not be having high BP or sugar level also it should not be high. Based on these two conditions, we will now make the decision table. Now we are making the table based on the conditions that we have written previously. We are making the table now. Age, it should be above 60, and the next column age above 45. Next column is diabetes, and the next column is BP, and the next column is expected output. Now we are making the table with different input combination and the expected output. If a person's age is above 60 with no BP and no diabetes, then the output should be eligible. In the same way, if the person's age is above 45 with no BP and no diabetes, then the expected output should be eligible. And if the person's age is above 60 with diabetes and with no BP, then he should not be eligible. In the same way, if the person age is above 60 and he is not having diabetes but he is having blood pressure, then the output should be not eligible. If the person's age is above 45 and if he is having diabetes and if the BP is normal, then he should not be eligible. In the same way, if the person's age is above 45 and if he is not having diabetes but he has high blood pressure, then he should not be eligible. And if the person's age is above 60 with both diabetes and blood pressure, then he should not be eligible. If the person's age is above 45 and he is having both diabetes and blood pressure, then he should not be eligible. If the person's age is above 60 with normal diabetes and normal BP, then he is allowed to take the vaccination. In the same way, if the person's age is above 45 with normal BP and normal diabetes, then he is eligible to take the vaccination. By using this decision table technique, we will test the application accordingly. Now let us see another example for decision table. Let us assume that we are testing a login page of a website with the following conditions. That is, when a correct username and correct password is entered, it should be redirected to the home page. And when the wrong username and wrong password is entered, it should throw an error message. And when a wrong username and correct password is entered, then it should throw an error message. And when the correct username and the wrong password is entered, then it should show an error message. Now let us see how the decision table is done by using these conditions. Now you can observe that we have made a table using the above conditions. That is, condition 1, when the username and password both are correct, then the output is home page. And the condition 2, when the username and password both are not correct, then the output is error message. In the condition 3, when the username is not correct and the password is correct, then again the output is error message. And the condition 4, when the username is correct and the password is not correct, then the output is error message. Now using this table, we will test the application accordingly. This is how the decision table technique is used. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our video or updates. Thank you.